What kind of building do you live in?
Well, growing up, I used to live in a farmhouse, but since moving to the big city, I now live in an apartment in a residential building.
Oh, great. Do you prefer modern or more traditional architecture?
As a matter of fact, I have a soft spot for traditional architecture, having grown up among quaint buildings in the countryside.
Great. Do you enjoy visiting historical buildings?
Yeah, I do. When I visit them, I learn a lot of historical facts, tradition, and culture.
Now let's move to part 2. And I'll ask you a few questions. You are asked to describe a famous building you have visited. And you should say where it is, what it's like, why it's famous, and explain whether you would recommend other people to visit it. So carry on.
Okay, thank you for your question. Actually, I would like to talk about the Great Wall, which extends for about 21 kilometers across 16 different regions of northern China. Built mainly of earth and stone, the wall varies in height and width, averaging 7.8 meters tall and 4 to 5 meters wide at the top, allowing soldiers and supplies to move along it easily. This vast structure was designed as a defense against nomadic tribes. Its construction began around 214 BC. The Great Wall is a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1987. It's China's top tourist attraction, drawing millions of visitors annually. The Great Wall is a national symbol presenting China's rich history and cultural heritage. It's an engineering marvel that contributes to inspire power worldwide. I would readily recommend friends and family to visit it and learn about the fact that the Great Wall is a spiritual symbol of perseverance and collective effort. It's a testament to human determination and architectural genius. Through it, the world can learn about the diligence and engineering power of the Chinese people.
Great. Thank you. Summary. The candidate hit most of the high notes, switching tenses with the phrases I used to and I now live. Also, the candidate made good use of starters in the phrase as a matter of fact and equally demonstrated her knowledge of idiomatic expressions with the phrase I have a soft spot for. The candidate would have put the cherry on the cake by using highly suitable adverbs of sequence like initially, subsequently, and ultimately. Our final pitch to the candidate should sound thus. Well, back then, I initially used to live in a farmhouse, but subsequently started residing in an apartment in a residential area after moving to the big city. If you want more strategies like this one, make sure to subscribe and click on the links to my long-form content.